Yes, guys, last warm days, the days when you want to enjoy the colors of autumn. Gather the harvest of berries, apples, and wait, I want a barbecue. That's gonna be tasty. But wait, it seems I know how to make a barbecue a lot faster. Yes, molten copper. I already did it, but with pork steak. Remember that? This video is on the channel if you missed it. Today I gonna try to do the same, but with this fish steak. Yummy. So, are you ready? I am ready. But do not forget about protection. I guess it will be fast. I smell roasted fish. But you know what? I'm not sure if it's okay to eat it. Okay, let's check it. It is ready. And it smells so good. Oh man, I wish I could. No way. Guys, you all remember this bowl. I used to use gas torches to make it glowing red, but today I will use my oven and will also try to make this fish steak with this bowl. So let's just get started. Yeah, it's ready. So let's just do it. Oops. Do you hear that? It still kind of screams or what? Well guys, the ball kept the temperature longer, but fried fish only in certain places. Well, actually, the places where I just put it. Well, just tell me which way of TIMON show barbecue style you like more, and write it in the comments down below. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.